Hi everyone, this is Caroline here, and today I want to talk about necklaces because some of us crystal lovers wear beautiful jewelry. We wear beautiful rings, beautiful necklaces, beautiful pendants, beautiful bracelets, which carry some specific beneficial energies. But aside from the beauty side of it, aside from the aesthetics of the jewelry, do you know why you're wearing that specific kind of jewelry? Do you even know how it affects you? And have you even thought about whether the jewelry you have should be worn best as an earring or as a necklace or as a pendant or as a bracelet? And on top of that, if you have crystal necklaces, have you even thought about whether they should be worn as short necklaces or long necklaces? And what the effects of wearing a crystal necklace as a short necklace is? Or even how wearing long necklaces affect you? Wow, it looks like there's so many questions around wearing crystal necklaces, which I'm going to be answering for you today, because I believe that as crystal lovers and those who wear crystals for beneficial purposes or those who work with crystals as spiritual tools, I believe that there always has to be a conscious intention behind the things we do. And when we understand why we do certain things, it just makes it all the much better. When we are awake to these things, when we do things with conscious intention, it is just a beautiful thing. And there was a time we used to just be unconscious about a lot of things. And then suddenly you come into a lot of information which wakes you up. And the thing is, you apply it, you test it, you experience it, and then it just becomes your lifestyle and something good that you can share with others. So that's why I'm really a fan of conscious intention, especially as we navigate this physical reality and the physical experiences that we have as human beings. So for our purposes today, I'm only going to be talking about necklaces. And necklaces are crystals or beads which completely circle the neck, like these beautiful malachite pieces that I'm wearing right now. They're obviously different from pendants, which I'm not going to be talking about today. Today is just about necklaces. Okay, so what type of necklace should you wear? Should you wear a short necklace or should you wear a long necklace? It depends. For example, we all know that short necklaces such as this one fall on the base of the throat, which is the throat chakra. And we know that the throat chakra is about communication issues. We know that it's about how we express ourselves. It's about our creativity. It's about us speaking our inner truth. It's a communication portal that connects us to our psychic and intuitive senses. It's really such a wonderful chakra. And that's why, in a weird way, it's really important to know about the type of necklace that you're wearing around your throat chakra, and even why the length of necklaces matter, because then you can choose and you can know what exactly to put around what, right? Our throat chakras influence the type of communication energy we are putting out and how we are expressing ourselves and communicating with others in the world. So let's just say you're a person who's too expressive, which may be a good or bad thing. It depends. Or you know someone who's like that. Or if you are a person who's just volatile and explosive in the way you communicate, or you know someone like that, what you would do is to wear a choker type of necklace or a short necklace that touches on your throat chakra to balance out and harmonize the energy around your throat chakra. And a good crystal for that would be something like the sodalite crystal, which is really good for balancing and stabilizing those types of over-the-top energies. And if you are a shy, inexpressive person, you can also consider wearing a short choker type crystal necklace that has an energizing, warming, stimulating effect to bring you out and to help you express yourself more in terms of communicating your truth. And wearing crystal necklaces like tourmalines and rhodonites around your throat chakra can really be good for producing that kind of energizing and stimulating effect. And by the way, aquamarine and lapis lazuli crystals are really great to wear as short necklaces, especially for throat situations which involve regulating the thyroid gland. You know what? The energy around the throat, it moves upward from the back into the neck and face area. And because this energy moves into our face area, it affects our sensory organs like our eyes, our nose, our mouth, our ears, which are portals in themselves. Our eyes are portals in themselves, which we use to perceive either physically or through inner seeing. Our ears are also sensory organs and portals, which we use to hear either physically or in an inner way. Our noses and our mouths are also doorways which help us to experience life directly. And the exciting thing is, when energy moves from our throat chakras and influences our sensory portals, eyes, ears, nose, throat, it causes us to change our perceptions. When the energy moves into your eyes, you begin to see things differently because something shifts. When energy moves into your ears, you begin to hear things differently because something shifts. You know, when energy moves through your throat chakra, you begin to communicate differently because something shifts. So the bottom line is that wearing these short necklaces will activate your psychic or intuitive senses through your sensory portals. And these activations will help you change your perception of life. So short crystal necklaces are great for change. If you want to make changes in how you perceive your life, consider wearing short crystal necklaces. Okay, what about the longer necklaces? Unlike the shorter necklaces, which are about creating change, longer necklaces are less about making changes. They are more about an acknowledgement and an affirmation that you have already made the changes in your life, that you are now an embodiment of an energy, that you now carry a specific energy based on a change that you have made, that you are now talking the talk and walking the walk. They acknowledge that you are now carrying the energetic quality that you desire, that you are now a good communicator, that you are now confident, that you are now in harmony, that you are now more peaceful, that you are now more balanced, that you are now healthy, that you are now even more loving. And these longer necklaces support that embodiment of that energy that you now are. And if you're into long necklaces, it's a good idea to wear long necklaces that fall within this area of your chest or thereabout. Because this area between your chest, the CV17 area, is a very, very strong energy portal for spirit. And some good crystals to wear as both long and short crystal necklaces are crystals like Larima, which is really great for balancing and harmonizing emotional energy, and crystals like red garnet, which is really great for heart palpitations. And for those who love wearing pearls, those are great because they have a very calming energy and they can either be worn short or long. So if you want more information about how to wear your crystal jewelry or how to work with your spiritual tools, please send me an email at caroline@crystalstock.com. I offer personal one-on-one consultations. And in the meantime, please leave a comment in the comment section and let us know whether you love wearing crystal necklaces. Do you wear them long or short? Or even what type of crystal necklace you currently have or intend to wear or work with going forward. Okay, that's it for now. I love you guys.